Hi, I'm Emma Jacobs, and today I'm going to be using OneNote for note taking and archiving. So here you can see my notebooks in OneBook, and right now I have three notebooks, which this is my basic notebook right here. This is my EDCI 2700 notebook, and here's my theme notebook. Within my 2700 notebook, I have multiple notes that I've taken for class, but I mainly use my theme one. So right here, I'll click on my theme notebook. Um, and I have multiple notes. So I have American colonization, founders, 13 colonies. I haven't done anything in these ones yet. I also have mind map information, but these are the ones that I've used for actually clipping articles using OneNote. So here's one of them. It's the Colonial America article, and I have a few notes and stuff, and I've learned how to highlight. But over here, once you go to feed, these are the notes that you can actually save. It's like post-it notes. But here are my five for this one. And then whenever I go to American colonies, this is another article that I clipped. This is a really important one that has a ton of information about Protestants, the different colonies, and what actually happened. It's a longer length than the other colonization one. And this one I did an annotation for. So, OneNote is really easy to use because you have all the different tools like tags and the actual notes that you can clip on, and how to organize your notebooks and archives. I believe that is it. So, thank you.